Ramp is transported on wheels and positioned adjacent to the railway coach. Ramp is maneuvered into place using the integrated electric drive system. Ramp is lowered onto its support frame to ensure stable placement. Extend and align entry flaps into the train using push-button controls. Secondary ramp is guided into place using its electric drive system, aligning with the main ramp. Lower the secondary ramp onto its frame for stable connection. Lock the secondary ramp to the main ramp using mechanical locking pins. Vehicles are driven into the train on both upper and lower decks concurrently. Unlock the secondary ramp by retracting the locking pins. Raise and retract the secondary ramp on wheels to its designated storage position. Retract flaps from the train using push-button actuation. Elevate the main ramp and move it to the parking area using wheel-based mobility. Train is fully loaded and prepared for departure.